everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we got a little haul. Little haul. So, two shops. This is what was left over from whatever sale I bought from last, the MPM or something. I'm not 100% sure because it has been a while. So with these two orders, this will wrap up all of October. All of my November weekly kits are bought. That will leave November and December to do. Just the November monthly, December monthly, and then 3 Christmas kits and a New Year kit. Whew! So I'm trying to wait until late September to order a November kit. I hope I find one that I like, because I've been continuing to buy from shops that I have never bought from before for monthly kits, just to try them out and see how they work and see if I find somebody new that I really enjoy. So without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Here is ColorPop and here is PaperCandyArt. So we'll start with ColorPop. It came in this really rigid brown cardboard mailer with a ColorPop paper sticker and then this giant piece of beautiful pink washi. Look at that. Oh yes. So of course I tore into it. I don't remember if there is a there is not an invoice in there, and I mean this thing is like rigid. She also put a little speech bubble right there. And I think she has like a premium mat, which was crazy cool. And this says, special package just for Amanda. Thank you. Okay. So I know that I ordered this during a sale, because I was like on the hunt to buy all the things that I needed to get through October, because I knew like school was coming up and all these things, and I was just like, I cannot be hanging around waiting. So first little freebie is this one here. It's very pretty. Some very muted dusty colors for fall. We have a midweek spread, washi Wednesday, TGIF, some brackets, a big old box because it's not a half box, a circle, a planner, a heart, and a clip and a tassel banner. Yeah, I don't know what this, it's matte. I don't know, maybe it's just a really thick buttery matte. I don't know if it's I don't know if it's premium. I don't remember. Then this was the other freebie, and this is why I think I got it. I know I got it during a sale because I got like uber extra freebies. So this is very Thanksgiving fall-esque. Excuse me. And this is another freebie. I got it in Dusty Rose with silver foil. I got a full set of date covers, 2 foil boxes, foiled banners, important, don't forget, work to do, plan to clean today, and 2 bows. Woo! One breath. Look at that. Gorgeous. Okay. Alright, so the last and only thing that I bought is my October monthly kit. Yeah, I don't think this is premium matte, but it's really, I mean, it's really nice. I don't know how to explain it. It's definitely not vinyl. Okay. So, what was this? This was called Monster Mash. We have a little bit of deco dots down here, our date dots, 2 full boxes, a quarter box, and then our top headers that say October and Happy Halloween. And then we have this page, which has scallop boxes, a Happy Halloween, a cat, candy corn, and a zombie. If you guys watch Flame and Gore, a zombie is what these are for her. We have a sidebar box, a quarter box, some big icons, bill dues, and paydays. And then this was the little extra sheet with more of the scallops and 2 more of the boxes for the sidebar. So this will be my October monthly kit, which I am super excited about, and I can't wait to see her shop in another sale so I can order from her again. Alright, and the other thing in this haul came in another rigid mailer, nothing fancy, no decoration, just a label. And this was the last order I got from the sale. So, This is from PaperCandyArt, and I got, this is my freebie. This is on glossy paper, and these are a bunch of assorted bow paper clips in very autumnal colors, and I really, really like this one right here. It's really pretty. I like them all. Like, I love the plaid. I love them all, but this one is just, for some reason, it's just hitting me in the feels, okay? So, I think this is... yeah, this is definitely premium matte. So I ordered a mini kit, I think, named Spooky. And I bought the glitter header separate. So this was an a la carte item. And maybe I bought the whole thing a la carte. I don't think I did, because I would not do that. So let me zoom you guys out, because these are a little bit bigger sheets. So here are the 9 full boxes. We have 3 scalloped checklists and then a 3 heart scallop checklist. These are all individually cut washi strips. This is the next page of the mini kit. Oh, maybe I bought the boxes a la carte. I don't remember, guys. Like, seriously. I don't remember. It says mini kit, so I don't know if that's part of the mini kit or not. But anyway, this is a washi strip here. We have another full box, making that 10. A weekly box, some various appointment labels, flags, half boxes, 3 heart checklist, the double dot marquees, the quarter boxes, 2 bill dues, 2 habit trackers, and 2 flagged quarter boxes there. Then we have another strip of washi here, 5 of each of these headers, and then some sidebar headers. Then we have 5 meals, some odd and ends, and then 5 TVs, a bunch of icons, more of the scalloped heart checklist, and then tons and tons and tons of functional deco, which I love it. I don't know if my favorite is coffee break or the, what was I going to say? I love the coffee break for sure. Oh, I like the Buy Foods, and the nail polish is really cute with the star on it. And then the last page here of the mini kit is your date covers and date dots, bottom washi, and then we have more functional things. Here's a box of the glitter bow, a glitter flag, 2 bows, 2 habits, 2 appointments, 2 scallops, 2 half boxes, a Friday, which is right there, a lazy day, and sleep in. So this is a very nice kit. I feel like with the addition of the glitter headers, I will definitely be able to get a very, very, very cute Halloween spread. So that's it, guys. That's the last haul from Etsy or sticker shops that you'll see on my channel. For a while. Like I said, I don't need to buy anything until October, and it's only August. So, as you can see, I'm good. I've been very good. I've only bought what I needed. Well, I can't say what I needed, but I tried to only buy kits that I knew I was going to use. Like, I had a plan of when they were going to be used. So, if you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button for me. Subscribe if you're not already. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Amanda, and I hope you'll stick around. So, I will talk to you guys again real soon. Much love to all of you, and bye.